If you're a web developer, chances are you already know and are trying to experiment with node.js. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can install node.js on your Windows 11 PC. So you want to install node.js on your system and you're confused about the installation. Well, it's extremely easy. The first thing that you have to do is head over to nodejs.org on your browser, which is the website from where you can get node.js, and you're going to download the 20.16.1.0, which is the long-term support version of node.js. You can head over to the download section and try other node.js versions, for example the 22.6.0, which is the current one, but I would recommend using the LTS version because that's just an easier way of making sure that you continue to get support. Now, here is a script for installing node.js via PowerShell if you want to do it. But what we're going to do is that we're going to use the pre-built installer that they provide. So I want this version of node.js for Windows running 64-bit, 32-bit or ARM. I'm running 64-bit, so I'm going to go ahead with that and just click on the download node.js button. Now this will install our MSI download and MSI package, which we are going to save on our system. So click ahead, and as you can see, it's a very small download. So now let's go ahead and run this. It's right here, so let me double click and run the installer. Alright, now we're good to go. So all you have to do now is just follow the installation instructions from the setup wizard at this point. So just click next, accept the license agreement, next again, choose where you want to install node.js. In most cases the default program files directory is just fine. Click next. Now these are the features that you want to install along with node.js. So this includes npm, core pack manager, node.js runtime, of course, which is the core, online documentation shortcuts, and add to path. I would recommend that you do enable this because this makes it easy to access node.js features from anywhere in your system. So go ahead and click on next. Automatically install necessary tools. You can leave this unchecked unless you want a very specific sort of pathway to follow. So we are good to go. It gives you a warning right here. It says some npm modules need to be compiled from C, C++ when installing. If you want to be able to install such modules, some tools need to be installed like Python and Visual Studio Code and so on and so forth. So you can just check this box and click on next. Click on install and wait for your installation to finish. Give it the permissions it needs. It will go ahead and validate the install now. Copy some files and we should be good to go in about a minute. So as you can see, node.js has now been successfully installed. So I'll go ahead and click finish, and now our additional tools script will run. So as you can see, this will require around 3 GB of free disk space plus any space necessary to install Windows Update, so on and so forth. Read this. If you want, you can just go ahead and close this window to cancel the installation, but I'm going to continue with this. Press any key to continue. Go on, and the additional tool installation should start on its own. So as you can see, it's now downloading and expanding these files. This will also download and install Python on your system if you don't have it already. So technically at this point, while the other files are being installed, our node.js installation is actually complete, and we can check that by opening a new terminal. Yeah. So now we can type node -- version, and it should show us the node version that we have installed on our system, which is 20.16.0. Node.js also comes with npm, so if you do npm -- version, you can also see the version of npm that has been installed on your system, and that is how easy it is to install node.js on a Windows 11 PC. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.